Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm Priya Swail here presenting you formatting in Excel. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the basic component of Windows Excel. So today we will explore how we can perform formatting. Now let's start. First question arises in your mind is what is formatting and why we use it. Formatting basically we use for making our document beautiful and attractive for the user so that the user can understand easily what we are going to present. Okay, so there are different formatting tools available in Microsoft Excel, but we are going to learn one by one. So today I am going to tell you the first tool, which is known as cell alignment. What does it mean by alignment? Cell alignment is used to show how your text and numbers are positioned in a cell, how they look like in a cell, and how you can give them different positions. For example, right, center align, bottom align, top align, and so on. So I will show you later on then how we can do it. So basically we are having two types of alignments. Number one is horizontal alignment, which gives you the features of making your text or numbers center aligned, left aligned, and right aligned. Similarly, vertical alignments help you to make your text or number justified, center, and bottom. So this I will show you how we are going to do this one by one. The next tool which we are going to study is formatting numbers in a cell. How we can perform formatting with numbers in a cell. So, and why we do this? Formatting numbers in a cell is used to show numbers in a cell in different format. For example, $98, 100%, 13 June, 2000. So these are different formats which we use in our Excel because we have to deal with different kinds of formulas over there. So I will show you how we are going to do this. Open the Microsoft Excel. So here we are having Microsoft Excel sheet. So first of all, I am telling you that how we can use alignment feature in a Microsoft Excel. So let's start. For example, if I have write the name Anam, so I want to make this text in the center. So how I can do this? You can see over here we are having a ribbon of alignment. Okay, so these are different features of alignment available here. This is for alignment left, this is for align center, and this is for align right. For example, if I click over here, look, our text comes to in the center position. If I click on this align right, it make your text in the right position. Similarly, if I want to make this text to the left side, I will click on it. So these three are basically the horizontal alignment of the text or number. If I want to make this text on the top align, then I will use this option. For the middle this, and for the bottom this. So these three are known as vertical alignments. Okay, these are for horizontal and these three are for the vertical alignment. You can do the text alignment with the same way. 1 minute, I have to. Okay, so look, this is left, this is center, right, top, middle, bottom. Okay, so this is how we can do the same thing with the number. Okay, now our next tool is formatting with number. So how we can do this? For example, if I write over here 50 and I want to make the formatting of this number. So here we are having format feature over here. Just click over here it's give you the option of format cell at the bottom. Click over here. Now here we having format cell options, different cell format options. Number one is numbers, number two is alignment. Click on the alignment. See, we are having the same option which we have studied over here. You can make the alignment of the cell from here as well. Okay, so leave for the time being, comes to the number again. So here we are having different categories like journal, number, currency, accounting, dates, and this is our sample which is 50 because I have written 50 over here. So for example, if you want to put a decimal number over here, so how many decimal places you want? For example, 1. Click OK. See, we are having over here. Okay, the same option you can use. For example, you want to put a currency sign. So here we are having different symbols. You want to put dollar sign, American, Chinese, Euro, what kind of currency sign you want to put on it. For example, for the timing, I am selecting the dollar. Click over here. So look, we are having dollar sign over here. Similarly, you can apply format cell again. You can change date. You can change time. You can apply percentage. Okay. You can apply fraction. You can apply scientific notation. So these are the different options available here according to your requirement. Okay. This thing you can do also from here. Look, we are having a ribbon of number. Okay, so these are the options. For example, if I apply Chinese sign over here, currency, so this I can do this from here as well. This is a percentage sign I can apply. I can apply increasing and decreasing of decimals here. I can apply short date from here. I can apply long date, again time. Okay, so these features available here are as well. Okay, you can click on this sign, this small arrow, and you again come to the same window. Okay, so basically we are having these options in different places. Number 1 here, number 2 here, and number 3 here. Okay, so I hope you understand the lecture, and please try to practice it again and again so that any ambiguity in the lesson you found, you can discuss or share with me as well. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.